So here we will be doing a high shoulder carry. First thing we want to make sure is that the fly section is away from you, so the bed section is towards you. You're going to find your balance point, come to the side, once again having the fly section away from you. Your hand is going to find just under the balance point, or if you can't reach it, you start low and work your way up as the ladder comes down. You're going to grab the rung right below it, or whatever rung you can reach, until the back. Where you want to end up is the balance point ends up in the middle of your shoulder. So we're here. In real time, you'll be able to buck this on your shoulder, bring it back, and lean it forward. So, by having the balance point on your shoulder and your hand in front of it, your hand acts like a stabilizer, kind of like a shock absorber. The other hand is going to be anywhere halfway up the rung or as high as you can, or wherever you feel comfortable to control the roll of the ladder. Your hand on the beam, you want to make sure you get a C grip on it. And you only want to touch you really want to get your hands on the bed section. You don't really want to handle the fly section for this. So as you start moving, well, before we start moving, you want to shift the ladder back and forth just for practice to see what feels better for you. Having the ladder a little bit up is ideal. So before we start moving, we want to look for any overhead obstructions or any ground obstructions, and we start going forward. When you find where you want to deploy, have the same side leg forward. You're going to pop a squat, and the motion you're going to do with the ladder is with the hand on the beam, you're going to move up. The hand on the rung, you're going to pull in one motion. So squat, move up, and pull in order to get the ladder upright. That way, you don't have to depend on sliding on the tarmac. You're able to get the ladder high enough to where it catches itself. So we want to practice on both sides, left and right, so we have muscular balance and so we can be more versatile in our technique. So come back. Make sure that the bed section is towards you, the fly section is away from you. Your hand is going to find right underneath the balance point, or as high as you can, using the opposite hands to control the roll of the ladder. As you bring the ladder towards you, just let it glide into your shoulder. Before you move forward, look for any ground obstructions or overhead obstructions. And we move forward again. And just like before, the same side goes forward, you pop a squat, make that motion, and move the ladder up. And that is how we're going to do a high shoulder carry.